Hello everyone, BNH Gaming here, and today we're playing Happy Wheels. Oh yeah, you see it died. Let's do it. Well, that was easy. And throw it. Throw it! Okay. Yeah, this one's not too well. Let's do by rating. Superman. Let's do it. Here we go. What? Oh. Okay, we're going. Superman without a body. So close. Here we go. Oh, come on! Oh, come at me. Come at me, come at me, come at me! Ow! Woohoo! Oh, that was fun. Fuck that. Fuck that. Obstacle course. Alright, let's do it. Wheel up. Okay, that did nothing. Oh, well, I can't wait, so... Woo! Woo! Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Ah, looks like I pick him back up, but no. Oh no, don't bounce. Ouch, ouch. Used to be an invention. Really? Really? I will beat this. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh my god! Oh, I can find him. Jeez. Don't trust me, physics. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, no, I want to. Oh, there we go. Go, game. Oh, that's just. This is brief. Oh my. Okay, one more try. Try to go unharmed. Go. Okay, that's good. Alright, now let's. Oh my god. Alright, let's avoid this. We're not gonna fall. We're okay. We're okay. Yeah, boy. I think I was supposed to jump. Yeah, nah. Wow. We'll just do one more. That's all. Because I have faith. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, you know you're good if you get to the top of that. It's okay. Live. Screw you. Oh no! No! Okay. Nope. Okay. Slow. Yes. Oh yeah. Slow. Yes, sir. Obey the law. Yeah, we did it, guys. Alright. Fight Club. Welcome to Fight Club. Level 1, unarmed. Oh my god. Okay. This seems pretty cool. No, don't come at me. It's okay. I have a bicycle. Oh my god. Oh, stab yourself, boy. Low power pistol, holy shit. Oh my god! Yeah! Alright guys, that was awesome. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you want more of this, comment below, like the video. Have a good day. Peace.